Hi, today I want to demonstrate my personal training recorder web application. The purpose of this project is developing a full-stack web application for tracking my personal workouts, recording real-time session data, and visualizing my personal performance. The inspiration of this project is mainly because I love working out and uh, I was using my Apple Watch to record the data, but it only includes the duration time and the heart rate. So I want to more detailed information so that I can do better analyze. And then I developed this application. The test stack I'm using on the front end, I'm using React.js and Tailwind CSS. On the back end, I'm using Express.js and MongoDB, and I deploy them on the AWS EC2. There are some key features of my personal project. The first is timer-based workout session recording. It shows the active time and the cool down time. It also has dynamic workout selector dropdown. It includes my favorite workout or favorite exercise, so I can choose them without entering by myself. Some editable session logs, including, for example, I can modify the portion, the duration, and weight just in case I forgot to enter one of them or enter one of them by mistake. It also has calendar for tracking past workouts, MongoDB integration for persistence data storage. So this is the calendar page for past workout records. As you can see, it has the portion I have been training and the duration. And this is the recording page. I can select the portion, the exercise, enter the weight, the repetitions. Also, as you can see, here's the cooling down time has passed, and when we press the start, it will change to recording, and here will be another recording time. The structure of my front end, including four main components: the navbar, the calendar page, the recording page, and the details and analyze page. Because I have some other personal projects, so I need the navbar to navigate through different projects. And the calendar page is what we have seen before, and just like the recording page, there's another detail and analyze page I will show you in the following slides. For the state management, I mainly use state and use effect hooks. I also use reference, but just for the D3.js analyze. I also use local storage for session persistence, especially for the recording page. When we finish the recording and navigate back to the calendar page, the local storage will persist the record ID and update on the calendar page. And the Redux is for holding users' information such as user's ID instead of exposing this sensitive data on the local storage. And I'm using Tailwind CSS for responsive design and quick prototyping. So for the backend structure, I mainly use these two routes, the logging and the workout. The workout includes some essential CRUD operations such as init record, update record, edit details, and so on. And it also has MongoDB schema to validate the data input. Here's the example of the MongoDB schema. For example, for the general record, it will contain the user ID, the category, the duration, the date, the nodes, and the details, and the detail will refer to this workout record schema, which contains the detailed record for this workout session. It has the start time, end time, different exercises and their duration, so that we can have better analyze for this training session. And let me go through the UI UX and the design. I mainly use the Flexbox layout, and we also have the real-time feedback recording and the cooling down phase, like we said before. And I'm also using the D3.js for data visualization. As you can see down here, there will be a total workout time, total weight, active workout time, training efficiency, and also I summarize all of the weights up based on their category, so that I can have an understanding which exercise I focused more, and how should I balance different portions. And also I have a responsive design for mobile devices, because I mainly use this recording app on my phone and in the gym. As you can see on the top, here's the navbar on regular desktop browser, and down here is how it looks like on the mobile phone. We can expand and collapse the navbar, so that even on the mobile phone we can easily navigate through different pages. Like I said before, I deploy all of the project on EC2, and especially for the backend, I integrated with GitHub Actions CI/CD pipeline, and I'm using the MongoDB Atlas for cloud data storage. Yeah, I think there are some improvements I can do in the future. For example, add user customizable workout templates. For example, I have a training plan. I can follow these templates to do my today's workout, and I can add more visual analytics dashboard with D3.js. I can add the auth logging integration with such as Google and Apple, so my friends can use this app easily. Also, the last thing is the target I'm working on recently, support for Apple Health Sync, so that I can integrate with the heart rate recorded by my Apple Watch with other data I recorded by myself to do a better analytics, to do a better analyze. Yeah, thank you. Here's my GitHub repo. You can check it out and download and play with yourself. And next I will show you the real demonstration of my project. I have deployed this on EC2, so I can log in right here. So this is for personal using, so I skip the login process. I can easily click login to login, and right here is the calendar one. Let's try to start record for today, just for demonstration. For example, we are doing chest today, and we are doing bench press. Let's do 100 for warm up, and 12 repetitions. Start. As you can see, it changed to recording with the time it takes. And stop. After finish one set, the record will append here, and so that we don't need to memorize how many sets we have finished. We can focus more on the training. And the cooling down timer is used for the reminder for myself, don't focus on the phone too much. We should focus on the training itself. Let's say let's wait to the 30 seconds. Yeah, let's do 150 and decrease to 10 and start. You can stop. The record has been appended to this list also. We can now finish and upload the record to the backend. Okay, and we can see our most recent record here. We can press on the details to see the detail. And yeah, we can also edit the duration, the repetition, the weight. For example, let's say we finished 15 times. Say it will change to 15 times. I can also delete this one, and let's see one of my detail records. This is my regular workout record, and the active workout time is 15 minutes. In total, I took 57 minutes, and the training efficiency is 26. And I focus mainly on the barbell bench press, a little bit incline barbell press, I believe, and some cable crossovers. Yeah, and yeah, that's it for my personal project. Thank you.